Hey everyone, welcome back to TechGen Pro. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of downloading the Zoom Meetings app. Follow these straightforward steps. Launch your Chrome browser. In the search bar, enter Zoom Download for Windows. And press Enter. Click on the top link. Alternatively, you can locate the link in the video description. Once you're on the Zoom website, navigate it to the desktop option for Windows. Under the desktop Zoom section, find the download option and click on it. You might be moved to choose a download location. Select your preferred location or let it download automatically to the default folder. The download will commence, and once it's complete, double-click on the downloaded file. This will open the installation page, and the app will be downloaded automatically. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded Zoom Meetings. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing for more TechGen Pro tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay awesome.